Welcome back to my channel by Authentic April. This is the secret to soft and voluminous curls. So we're starting off with freshly diffused hair. Then we're going to go in with the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil. And oil is really important here because after we styled our hair, we finished off with a gel or a mousse to lock in the curls to prevent any frizz and to keep a hold. So the curls right now are in a gel cast, and that's the crunchy feeling you get to your hair because it's the hardened coating that forms on the hair after applying gel or a mousse and letting that dry. But now it's time for us to break that gel cast so that we can have really soft and fluffy curls and so that it's easy to move it around. And you'll notice the way I'm applying the oil is I'm putting the oil in my hands and gliding it over the hair. So pressing the hands together with the hair in between, and this helps to stretch back out those curls. So not only does the oil help to break the gel cast and make your hair super shiny, but it also helps to bring back the volume that was lost. I like to refresh some curls if I see some looking wonky because I do have a little bit of damage I'm recovering from, so that is why I added some water in, and I don't need to add extra product right now because I've just styled my hair, so it doesn't need more product, but sometimes a water can help. So again, to achieve volume, you want to separate any curls that were clumped together. Then I like to go in with a pick. This is the Curlsnclouds pick, and I like this one because it's wooden, so I feel like it doesn't snag at my hair, and it's very gentle with the hair. So I go in with the pick and focusing at the roots first, and towards the bottom of my hair I have some pieces that are shorter, just again because of damage, so I do like to focus a little bit more on the ends to bring back the length. This of course is optional, but I really like volume over definition, so this is super important if you're wanting to achieve volume. Then I'm going in with the Got2b Glued Gel. I use this as my edge control. Of course this is optional again, but I do like to have edge control because I feel like it brings the whole look together. So these are the final results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you like to do to achieve volume.